Hello everyone, it's 23 October. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Hindu newspaper. In the first page, we have Modi Trump speaks US-India call, accounts differ. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have come November 1, Kerala will officially be first state free of extreme poverty. Again, very important news for society perspective. Moving forward, we have as air turn toxic, hospitals see rise in respiratory cases. Again, very important for environment as well as health perspective. Moving forward, we have this whole page dedicated to this one news, tech, cyber security, the firewall within, why cybersecurity starts with citizens. Again, very important news for science and tech perspective. Moving forward, we have Punjab records fourfold drop in farm fires in 2025. Again, very important news. Then we have Haryana worst hit by air pollution after the Deepavali festivities. CB says very important again for environment perspective. Moving forward, we have child rights panel files case against teachers. Very important for society perspective. Moving forward, we have when a parasitic wasp saved South Indians. Tapioca crops, again very important for environment perspective. Moving forward, we have the editorial page. The editorial page is always important for examination perspective. The first editorial says a path for a battered and broken Himachal Pradesh. Again, very important news for states perspective. Moving forward, we have the tailwinds from lower global oil prices. Very important for international relations perspective. Then we have immigration and the politics of fear. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have Chennai stood out for its severe pollution surge during Deepavali. Again, very important for environment perspective. Moving forward, we have this whole page dedicated to this one news. The challenges posed by TTP, Tehreek-e-Taliban Pakistan to Pakistan are very important news for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have shock, horror, terror, how Dalit stories are stirring the literary world. Again, very important for society perspective. Moving forward, we have Indian embassy in Kabul will help regional peace, says Taliban spokesman. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have NHAI to deploy 3D sensors to identify potholes, road cracks across 23 states. Very important for infrastructure perspective. Moving forward, we have officers issuing content notice to be made more accountable. Very important for science and tech perspective. Then we have NHRC issues notice to 3 states over attack on journalists. Again, very important news. Then we have $100 billion investment target under trade deal to be met well before 15-year goal. Very important for economic perspective. Moving forward, we have the world page where we have SpaceX cuts off 2,500 Starlink devices at Myanmar's camp centers. Then we have Israel must ease passage of aid into Gaza, provide basic needs, says ICJ. Then we have 6 killed in massive missile drone attack by Russia on Ukraine. Then we have Iran ratifies laws to join UN Convention against terror finance. Then we have Bangladesh court detains 15 high-ranking army officers for enforced disappearances. All these news are very important for international relations perspective. And that's it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.